This is the story of a boy with a secret dream. He got a one-way ticket to Hong Kong and found that things are only as real as it seems. His code was an absolute failure and he received a warning letter. It said he finished his maximum PhD tenure and he suddenly felt the stress and anxiety shiver. Losing weight, visa applications, report deadlines, and seminars, the poor boy struggled to keep up with the bars. He made his reports and tried to show his progress, but the examiners were disappointed, which made him distressed. He tried to fight back but received his letter of PhD termination. Heartbroken and frustrated, he submitted his letter of resignation. He booked a one-way ticket to India and took his leave from a PhD so long till he tripped and found his 3-year-old diary. Exploring Hong Kong. Exploring Hong Kong had been his beloved dream. He remembered the first time he came to Polyu and saw the sunbeams. He was curious and enthusiastic, but only focused on his goal. Little did he realize that it was about the journey which could make him whole. Teacher decided to explore Hong Kong and tick the bucket list from his diary before he leaves. Shopping at Mongkok. What is it that we seek? What to let go and what to keep? This will all be over soon, we keep telling ourselves. But we often choose to overlook the fact that we need help and not farewells. As we look at the people walking outside and disappear at the edge, we are aware that we can't control everything. Then why do we focus on revenge? Is it not enough that we eat the food we love and listen to the songs we miss? DJ's code was 10% successful above, but at least he checked off the first thing on the list. Go hiking. We walk and walk 1,000 miles just to get a better view of this world. If only we could always walk forward, even though this earth swirls. Oh, you can almost hear the deep greens and the songs of the birds. A broken path, an untraversed trail. What are you waiting for? Go make it hail. Be free like a waterfall, and then you'll see the magic. The magic that the sky is always blue, no matter how things are tragic. The leaves beneath my ground move gently as TJ's code works 33% successfully. Camping and stargazing. The night's really cozy. Why don't you look outside? Hong Kong might be a busy bee by day, but at night it shines bright. TJ played volleyball with his friends and learned to deal with fire. Oh, he was hypnotized by the flames, but cooking sure made him tired. He saw the stars as he curled up inside his tent, listened to his friends for a while, and counted all the blessings he had spent. He saw the stars shine bright upon him, not a fear in this world. Did you know that the light travels to us even after the stars have disappeared? The night is magical, and he was thinking, why hasn't he seen this healing wonder when he felt like he was sinking? While you're busy looking at the stars and the tent, I'd like to tell you that TJ's code is successful at 70%. Biking and boating. Life is like a spinning wheel, always moving forward. It doesn't matter where you go, you'll always explore your world. So don't stop that brake and let go of your fears. It's time you had a little fun. You need to catch up on those years. The world welcomes you with open arms, and all you need to do is embrace the changes. And while you see us boating across the swans, have you noticed that TJ's code at 99% changes? Beach friends and fun. A volleyball match, walking around the sand, and some friends to talk to. TJ told to himself, I want to build my dream, not just live it. Maybe he realized that there's always something to look forward to as long as you truly believe in it. As TJ's code works successfully, he realizes all he needed was a little push. A push not to overwork, but rather to explore nature's looks. He jumped with joy as his examiners were impressed by his progress. And as he submitted his thesis, he cleared up all his mess. So, what is the moral of the story? Is it that you have to fail and learn in order to make history? Maybe, but you would have already guessed it by now without any help. Explore Hong Kong to find a better version of yourself.